Hi everyone, today I am with Ijah and Ayu hiking at Kubah Waterfall National Park. So while I'm waiting for Ijah and Ayu, I want to share what I bring for the hiking. Enough water. Just bring mie sedap only and grapes. Delicious. So let's take things for hiking. So hope you are enjoy for today.
Hi everyone, morning.
Hi Ijah. Are you excited?
Yeah, Intan.
We are on the way to Kubah National Park. The journey will take around 45 minutes from KUCHING. Maybe around a few minutes we'll be arriving.
Okay, finally we arrived. We here at Kubah National Park. This is Ijah. And this is Intan. Hi, morning.
We are already at Kubah Waterfall National Park and so are you ready? Are you and Ijah for
Yeah.
the hiking?
I'm ready.
So let's go. Hi, my name is Intan binti Hamdan. My metric number is 290945 and my friends.
Hi, my name is Ijah and my metric number is 291027.
Hello. My name is Dayang Ayu Safitri binti Awang Mos and my matrix number is 290932.
Hi.
So we are here.
We are going for register first.
Register.
Are we going to register first?
Register online. Pay at the counter.
Sekali.
Okay, we start now and this time, what time? 7:45 minutes. Okay.
45 minutes?
Yeah, 7:45.
The journey? Going to the...
Around 1 hour and 30.
Maybe? Intan, are we going to waterfall?
Yes.
Yeah. You guys are going to for a swim?
Yes, I'm so excited. Start for our smartwatch for monitor our heart rates and calories.
Also our minutes.
Okay. My face is burning, are you?
How about you, Ijah? Are you okay? Ijah!
Yeah, still okay, are you?
There's a sudden gush of strong wind. Very strong.
How about you two?
I'm so tired, but I'm excited to get the waterfall. Are you? Let's go, are you?
Okay, alright.
Yeah. Look at this place. It's peaceful, right?
I love to hiking Intan. It helped me to reduce my stress and I will enjoy the nature along our trail today.
Are you okay? Are you?
Yeah, okay. I'm so hungry.
You are so hungry.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone. We already climbed 200 feet. Okay, let's continue.
Okay.
You know what kind of flower is this?
I have no idea. Do you know this? What kind of flower is this?
Me also don't know.
My heart rate is warning, so I must relax first.
Now we already 500 feet.
Be careful, guys.
Landslide. Be careful for the landslide.
Okay, hold on. Are you okay, Ja? 5 more minutes.
No, okay. Okay.
You can do it. 5 more minutes.
Starting to hungry already.
How about you, Intan?
My heart rate is 169.
169.
My calorie burn is 300.
It's okay.
1.
5 more minutes. 5 more minutes.
Now we already took almost 1 hour.
Okay.
Miss Ayu,
Yeah.
how's the journey so far?
I think we got lost
Why?
because I don't know where should the way go to waterfall, and because of the construction over there, so we lost our
Way.
way. Okay.
Yeah, this trail is supposed to go to
To summit.
summit
Yeah.
Gunung Serapi.
But we don't want to go to the summit because our KPI for today is go to the waterfall.
So we have to go back.
We going down. So we asked the worker over there where the what?
Where's the location of the waterfall? Is it?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, if you see, this is the signage of the under maintenance. So Kubah Trail is
Close.
is already closed.
And we changing our journey.
So
Then where are we going?
we are going to the Rayu Trail because the Kubah waterfall is already closed for the under maintenance. Hi guys. So the Kubah waterfall is already closed for the under maintenance. So we are going to the Rayu Trail.
Okay, this is the trail entrance to go to waterfall. We call that is a Rayu Trail. It takes 2 hours and 30 minutes.
3 hours.
Oh, sorry, 3 hours 30 minutes.
We back on the right trail, Rayu Trail, because the Kubah waterfall trail is under construction. So we take 3 and 8 kilometers for the 3 hours and 30 minutes.
But I think the 3 hours is for the trail we go
Estimate.
to Rayu Waterfall.
So where are we going now?
We going to Kubah Waterfall.
As we know, we passed by Frog Pond. Let's see if we got to see frog.
Frog?
Yeah.
Okay. Really okay. How long is the journey again? Oh my gosh.
3 hours and 15 minutes. We take break about 5 minutes. We drink mama.
Rejuvenate ourselves.
Okay, there's no witches. I mean,
Kubah National Park is already give our sign. As you can see, the blue sign at the tree. For we are reached at the waterfall.
So we already reached here and we on the right track to go waterfall trail.
Be careful for the frogs.
We estimate.
To reach the waterfall?
I'm not sure. Are you? There's no information.
this is the frog pond you said now.
Yeah.
This now. The frog pond.
Yeah, froggy.
So let's go.
I'm hungry.
Interesting. I'm hungry too.
Mandi.
This park is known for its rich biodiversity, so no wonder they call it a natural treasure of Sarawak. So I can't wait for the waterfall. I heard it's stunning. So let's go.
So Intan and Ija stopped to take picture. This is the very nice
The biggest
scene.
tree is so nice.
Hello. Hi. I can hear the sound of the waterfall.
Finally.
You hear that? Sound of the waterfall?
Yes, I'm so excited to hear that.
Come on, Ija, 5 more minutes.
Just for 100-meter lift.
Okay. 4 more minutes. You can do it. 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes? Yeah. How are you there?
Twice to hear the stream during heavy rain, a strong current and flash flood can happen suddenly.
Okay, we almost reached the destination. And this is the snack peak. Yeah. Yeah, you can hear that. Okay, let's go. We continue. Finally, yes. Alright.
Look at the waterfall, it's beautiful, right?
I'm sorry,
How do
I'm
you
so
think,
tired.
Ija?
I really cannot talk because I'm really tired right now. Intan, what are you going to do?
So, are you hungry? Are you?
Yeah, I'm so hungry.
Let's
Cook something for me.
I got you miss a cup on me.
Okay, it's okay. Never mind. It's okay. Where is that?
Finish too?
Huh? Where is that?
Finish too.
That one is the gas.
Yes.
Oh my god.
So for the hiking, you must use gun.
The one dangerous or not?
Yes.
Where you buy the one? Where you buy?
Online, Shopee.
Wow.
You want to fry me? Because I'm so hungry. Food is ready to eat. Let's share the benefit of hiking. So let me start first. The benefit is we can release stress. So what about you, Ija?
for me, we can spend the time with friends while we have a free time right now. You, are you?
As for me, this is the free exercise.
Right now we are already to eat.
Yeah.
I'm very hungry.
I'm very hungry.
Are you hungry? Are you?
Now I'm very hungry.
Let's we eat. Can you help me? Are you?
Now what?
Cotton. Where are you? Is it delicious?
Yeah, very delicious. Very yummy. I like it.
Are you too hungry?
Yeah, I'm too hungry. So all I see that can eat is very nice, very delicious, so yummy.
In the jungle, all food is delicious. So we are going back. We are now on the way back to check out. It's been like 4 hours.
Yeah.
We spent time 4 hours trail, and it's really tiring.
I'm so tired.
And also hungry.
Hungry.
Now I'm waiting for Ijah and Intan to come down, and this is my friend Paula. She joined me to the trip go to Waterfall. So how you feel about this trip?
It's a very tiring journey, and it's a long hike. It took us 4 hours to climb. 4 hours? Yeah, I think 4 hours. Because we start at 7:45, right? 7:45. Was it 7:45 or 8:45? 7:45. We start here. 8:45, 7:45. Now it's almost 1 p.m.
Only go to Waterfall, right?
Yeah. And I can't wait to drink our coconut shake. I need sugar in my body right now. It's take 5 hours to go back at the entrance. So how do you feeling, Ija?
Feel very exhausted.
Yeah.
Then now we want to go coconut shake.
It's so delicious.
Yeah.
I want.
Oh, I can see Intan and Intan from Ijah from here.
Yeah. We need to check out first.
On the way going back home, we pass by Coconut Shake.
Where's the location?
Where's the?
The location is at Ragai, and it's a famous coconut shake at the KUCHING Sarawak. You must try. Yeah, the infamous coconut shake.
This is the advertisement.
Oh, okay.
Besides
Also, you
Coconut
have
Shake,
the
they
lemang
also
house.
sell lemang house. Lemang.
Best in town.
Best in town.
Yeah. So after this, what are you doing?
I think I wanna go home because I feel so tired. I wanna have a good rest, sleep for 30 minutes. You Intan?
I have no idea, but I think I want to sleep first.
And me, I need to take my son go to shopping mall.
Good luck.